Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window of ChatGPT. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.